quick shifter. So what is up, everybody? I'm in Manchester, New Hampshire at Nault Powersports to try this 2018 Suzuki GSX R-1000R. Yeah, I really wanted to ride this bike last weekend at Lake George in New York on that rally, but I just could not make the flights up there. So I do apologize for that one. Rick. I must say she does feel light. Yeah, this is my very first time being in New Hampshire, so I mean, it's cold up here, guys. Like, I'm coming out of Dallas, 100 degrees multiple days last week. I think it's like 69 degrees up here right now. Freezing. Freezing, to say the least. Okay, initial impressions: clutch is super light, bike is super light. The seating position, even though a sport bike, is comfortable. I mean, it doesn't feel heavy at all. Rear brakes feel very strong. Front brakes feels very strong. It's very positive bike. Positive feeling bike, very confidence inspiring. Unfortunately for this test ride, they already told me that there's not really any fast bits to it. It's just kind of a big loop around this part of town. So, but yeah, I know the R gets the quick shifter. I'm on a Ducati Monster 821. Yes, sir.
You'll love this.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm exploring my sport bike options because I think I will be on one sooner than later. They're just so much fun. Show suspension. Oh, mirrors. The mirrors are fantastic, by the way. Throttle is super smooth. Not catchy. It's not that on-off sensation. Oh, quick shifter. I don't know if this is a bilateral quick shifter, meaning we know it goes up. Fixing to find out if it goes down. Oh yeah, it goes down. No vibrations in the pegs at all, guys. Foot pegs, handlebars, grips, none of that. Oh yeah, I get up here and to my surprise I found out they're having Laconia Bike Week, which is I think one of the biggest motorcycle rallies in America, because I'm going to Sturgis, so you guys will get to see that in August, but I had no idea. So if I have time, I may go check that out tonight. shifter. Yo, that's what's up. Just hang on that throttle and tap that shifter, man. Oh yeah, it goes all the way down to first. Okay, man, I have no real complaints about this bike, but I won't get a speed run on it, unfortunately. Dude, even the suspension is comfortable. Like, you see these bumps and potholes, and dude, the bike just soaking it all up. Not like the BMW S1000R. That bike made me feel every bump in the road. Even though I know that's a racer suspension, but this suspension is a really good compromise on a super sport. I'm just letting you guys know that. Shifter's pretty tactile, meaning you know how some bikes you get that they kind of just squishing the gear sensation. No, this thing bangs in. Very nice bike. Very nice bike. Call me impressed. Didn't know you had it in you, Suzuki. Did not know that. That is a nice bike.
Sorry about that car in front of us.
Oh no, it's fine. I knew that was gonna happen. That's a nice bike, man.
Wait till you try that.
Okay. Man, that's nice.
Power. I think I got out of second gear once. That's sick.
Suzuki GSX R-1000R, guys. You owe it to yourself to give yourself a test ride on this bike. You won't be disappointed.